Convenience facilities at Hotel Citra Indah. Hotel Citra Indah in Yogyakarta, Indonesia, offers a range of convenience facilities to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay for its guests. With a laundry service available on site, travelers can easily freshen up their clothes and pack light for their adventures in the city. The hotel also provides room service, allowing guests to indulge in delicious meals and snacks without leaving the comfort of their rooms. For any assistance or recommendations, the friendly concierge team is always ready to help. Whether it's booking tickets for local attractions or arranging transportation, guests can rely on the knowledgeable staff to make their stay in Yogyakarta memorable. In today's connected world, staying connected is essential, and Hotel Citra Indah understands this. The hotel offers Wi-Fi in public areas, allowing guests to easily stay connected and browse the web. Additionally, free Wi-Fi is available in all rooms, ensuring that guests can enjoy seamless internet access throughout their stay. To ensure a clean and tidy environment, the hotel provides daily housekeeping services. Guests can relax knowing that their rooms will be well maintained and refreshed every day. With these convenience facilities, Hotel Citra Indah aims to provide a convenient and enjoyable stay for all its guests. Convenient transport facilities at Hotel Citra Indah. At Hotel Citra Indah, we understand the importance of hassle-free transportation during your stay in Yogyakarta. We offer a range of transport facilities to ensure that your travel needs are met with utmost convenience. One of the standout features of our hotel is our spacious car park, available free of charge for all our guests. Whether you are traveling by car or renting one during your stay, you can rest assured knowing that you have a secure and convenient place to park. Our car park is well maintained and easily accessible, providing you with peace of mind and saving you the trouble of searching for parking spaces in the busy city center. With our complimentary car park, you can explore the vibrant city of Yogyakarta at your own pace, knowing that your vehicle is safe and sound. Whether you plan to visit the iconic Borobudur Temple, explore the bustling Malioboro Street, or discover the rich cultural heritage of the city, Hotel Citra Indah's transport facilities ensure that your journey is smooth and stress-free. Indulge in delicious dining at Hotel Citra Indah. Discover a world of culinary delights at Hotel Citra Indah's dining facilities. Start your day with a freshly brewed cup of coffee at our cozy coffee shop, where you can savor the rich aroma and flavors of premium coffee beans. Whether you prefer a strong espresso or a creamy latte, our skilled baristas will craft the perfect cup to kickstart your morning.